Former Ukhrul MLA Alfred K. Arthur is almost certain to contest from the outer parliamentary seat of Manipur in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, with the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC recommending the former as the lone candidate for the seat. A highly reliable source from the party told SKTV. Now, sources further informed that for the inner parliamentary constituency seat, the MPCC submitted a list of 4 names, including MPCC Vice President Hareshwar Goswami, MPCC spokesperson Ningombam Bhupenda, Associate Professor of JNU Bimol Akoijam, and former DC Akoijam Tombikanta. Now, with the list of names submitted to the AICC, the candidate for the inner parliamentary constituency will soon also be certain in a few days, the source added. Now, Alfred K. Arthur was first elected as MLA from 44 ST Ukhrul Assembly constituency in the 11th Assembly elections as an Indian National Congress candidate for the term 2017 to 2022. However, he lost to NPF MLA Ram Muiba, trying to secure his seat for the second time for the term 2022 to 26.